Welcome. In this short exercise, we write a C-sharp program that reads three integers from the user, multiplies them together, and then prints the result. This teaches input passing and the multiplication operator for multiplication and formatted console output. It is a small but practical program. Let's walk through how it works. The task is straightforward. Prompt the user for three numbers. Convert those text inputs into integers. Multiply them and display the result in a readable format. We'll use convert to int32 to pass input and Console.WriteLine with format placeholders to print the formula and results. This is the full program. We declare three int variables, prompt the user, and convert each read line to an integer. Then we compute the result is num1 times num2 times num3. Finally, we print a formatted string showing the multiplication expression and the computed product. The program follows a linear flow. Read three inputs, convert them to integers, compute the product, and print the formatted result. Watch out for very large inputs. Multiplying large ints can overflow. In production code, consider long or checked big integer and input validation. Try a few cases. Positive numbers, negative numbers, and the zero. C# handles sign automatically with int arithmetic. If you expect very large results, consider long or validate inputs before multiplication. Multiplication of user inputs appears in many practical places. Calculators, pricing engines, which is quantity times unit prices, times tax discount factors, and data processing steps. This exercise builds a pattern for reading user data, computing results, and presenting them cleanly. To wrap up, we've read three numbers, computed their product, and printed a friendly formatted line showing the multiplication and result. It is a small program, but it ties together user input, type conversion, arithmetic, and formatted output. All essential skills. Next, consider adding input validation with int trypass and supporting larger ranges with long or big integer. Great work! Keep experimenting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.